Okay, today we're talking about steam humidifiers. So here's a generic example of what a whole house steam humidifier looks like. There's several makes and models out there. This video is not a paid promotion for any make or model. Some of the popular brands you might hear out there are April Air, Honeywell. And basically the way they work is there is a steam canister with electrodes inside the canister, and that canister fills up with water. The electrodes heat up the water, you generate steam. The steam flows out the steam hose here and is dispensed into the supply duct after your furnace, and that steam is carried out through your house or your office space out to supply registers. They range in size and capacity depending on the square footage of the building. They can range in price anywhere from $800 on the low end to $1,000 to $2,000. And they require very little maintenance. However, the manufacturers usually recommend once a season replacing that canister, because as the unit operates, the minerals in your water will start to build up inside that canister. There is a solenoid drain valve and a freshwater supply solenoid valve that maintains a proper water level inside that canister and can help flush out some of that sediment, but it's not all going to get out, and it can start to corrode away and eat away at the electrodes. So they usually recommend replacing the canister once a year. However, those canisters are a bit pricey, anywhere from $50 to $200 at the time of this recording in 2024. These steam humidifiers can run on 120 volts, 240 volts, 208 volts. They can draw anywhere from 10 to 16 amps, give or take. And they'll put about 10 to 35 gallons of steam or humidity into your air in your dwelling. Make sure you follow the manufacturer's installation instructions. You probably want to have a dedicated circuit breaker just for the humidifier. So you got power coming into the humidifier. You also usually need a dedicated drain line. You can see the floor drain here in this illustration. And then you have a fresh water line coming in with a manual shutoff valve for servicing. And then again, it goes into a water solenoid valve, supply water to the unit. And then of course you have your discharge, your steam that leaves the unit, goes into your ductwork, and there's a distribution nozzle or a distribution pipe that has little holes drilled in it. It's like a stainless steel pipe, lets the steam flow into your supply duct, and while your furnace is running, that warm air that's blowing through your supply duct will carry that steam through the dwelling. So I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.